Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points a minus 1 comma 4 and b minus 3 comma minus 2. See, this problem in this video I'll explain with two methods. One, I'll use section formula. The other one I'll use class 9 new syllabus. In new syllabus we don't have section formula. So I'll use with the help of midpoint, I'll solve the points of trisection. So here, line AB, A, that is minus 1 comma 4, B minus 3 comma minus 2, got trisected at points, imagine like P and Q. Let us consider P and Q. So I need to find P and Q. So first I'll solve with 9th class method by using midpoint. I'll consider P as AB, Q I'll consider as X and Y, X comma Y. So now see here clearly P is the midpoint of AQ because 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. Here AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB because trisection. So clearly P is the midpoint of P, A comma B is the midpoint of A minus 1 comma 4 and Q X comma Y, and midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now here P, that is A comma B, equals x1 minus 1 plus x by 2, 4 plus y by 2. Now I'll equate abscissa with the abscissa and ordinate with ordinate. So A equals minus 1 plus x by 2. So 2A equals minus 1 plus x. In the same way, ordinate if I equate, B equals 4 plus y by 2. 2B equals 4 plus y. These are two equations. Now I need to find the other one. So that is Q is the midpoint of PB. Q, that is X comma Y, is the midpoint of P, that is A comma B, and B minus 3 minus 2. So here Q is X comma Y. X comma Y equals x1a, x2 minus 3, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 is b, y2 is minus 2 by 2. Now again same thing, I'll equate abscissa with abscissa, ordinate with ordinate, x coordinate, x coordinate. So x equals a minus 3 by 2, so 2x equals a minus 3. Y equals b minus 2 by 2, 2y equals b minus 2. Now see here, from both x and y values we need to find, and I'll substitute in the other one. Now see, I'll take from here what is x. X is 2a plus 1, y is 2b minus 4 because plus 4 minus 4 minus 1 plus 1. This x and y values I'll substitute in this. Here 2 times x, x is 2a plus 1 equals a minus 3, and y is 2b minus 4 equals b minus 2. Now I'll get the values. Here 2 times 2, 4a plus 2 is a minus 3. 4a minus a is minus 3 minus 2. 3a equals minus 5. A equals minus 5 by 3. So A equals minus 5 by 3. So here if I substitute this one, 2 times 2, 4B, 2 times 4 minus 8 is B minus 2. So 4B minus B minus 2 plus 8. So here 3B equals 6, B equals 2. Now substitute these values to get x and y. 2 times A is minus 5 by 3 plus 1. 2 times 5, 10 by 3 plus 1. So LCM is here 3, minus 10 plus 3, x is minus 7 by 3. Y value is, B value is 2, so 2 times 2 minus 4, 4 minus 4, y is 0. So here the point P, A comma B, P I took it as A comma B, so the point P is minus 5 by 3 comma 2, and Q I took x comma y, so Q is minus 7 by 3 comma 0. Minus 5 by 3 comma 0, so sorry, minus 5 by 3 comma 2, and y value is, sorry, Q value is minus 7 by 3 comma 0. Now the same problem I'll find by 10th class section formula. I'll use 10th class CBSE. We have section formula, that is, for example, see here AB, A, B, P, Q. We need to find P and Q. So P we consider here in the previous one as A comma B, and Q is x comma y. A and B values are, A is minus 1 comma 4, A is minus 1 comma 4, B is minus 3 minus 2. So now 10th class section formula is this one. Section formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So now see here again 3 equal parts, trisection the same thing, but now I'll use the ratio. See P divides, for P if you'll see here it is 1 part, P divides AB in the ratio 1:2, and Q divides in the ratio 2:1, because before P 2 parts, before P it is 1 part, after P 2 parts, and if you want to find Q, before Q 2 parts, after Q 1 part, so 2:1. So here P divides A and B in the ratio 1:2. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2, m1 m2. Now I'll find P here. So P equals m1, which is 1, x2, that is minus 3, m2 is 2, x1 is minus 1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 minus 2, m2 y1, 2 into 4 by 1 plus 2. So here it is minus 3 minus 2 by 3, minus 2 plus 8 by 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 by 3, 6 by 3. So there is nothing but minus 5 by 3 comma 2. So P is minus 5 by 3 comma 2. If you'll observe, in the previous method also we got the same answer. Minus 5 by 3 comma 2. Now Q, here Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So Q divides A x1 y1, B minus 3 minus 2 in the ratio 2 is to 1. x1 y1, x2 y2, m1 m2. Now Q, I need to find Q. So m1 is to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So here minus 6 minus 1 by 3, minus 4 plus 4 by 3. Minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7 by 3 and 0 by 3 is 0. So the point Q is minus 7 by 3 comma 0. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. So here I solve this problem in two methods. One is for 9th class, the other one is for class 10th, and class 10 children also can use the same midpoint formula. Thank you for watching.